What's up guys? Today is finally the day where we ship out the GoPro 9 to the winner, Mr. Polingo, all the way to India.
Oh, India, cool. I heard they have some great views and culture.
Very nice, very nice. So fun fact, I've actually visited India before when I was in the military many years ago, and I've went to Goa, India. One of the best memories I've ever had in the military.
Nice, nice. Well, hey, let's not keep them waiting anymore.
All right, well, let's go.
Let's head out.
Let's do it. There's a little tree. All right, guys, so here we are at the UPS.
We're only sending one, right?
Just one today, yes.
Oh, all right, so I can have the other one then.
No, bro. The other one's for the second contest being held on December 1st. If you guys want to know how to enter to win, stay tuned for our next video.
Okay, all right, I'll be ready for that.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so that takes care of the first GoPro giveaway. Stay tuned on December 1st for your second chance to win the GoPro 9.
And don't worry, guys, I won't take it from you.
All right, guys, so that takes care of the first GoPro. Stay tuned on December 1st for your chances to win the second GoPro giveaway. Unbelievable.